Hi guys, it's Shell, Heart of It All Custom Creations. Welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Hit that subscribe button to see future videos. I post new videos every Wednesday and Saturday. So today I'm going to be doing a can cooler, koozie, whatever you want to call it, just for the warmer weather. Let's get started. So I'm starting out with this, I got it from Amazon like forever ago. I got like a pack of 6 of them. And it comes with a little screw-on lid that you can put your can in, but you can also drink right out of it if you want. I did spray paint this splotchy with colorshot summer pedicure, aromatherapy, and Island Girl, I think is what it's called. Beautiful colors, coverage is amazing, and I just did them randomly. So then what I'm going to go ahead and do, I'm going to use this Rainbow Paradise glitter from my Assorted Creations. It's just gorgeous. And I'm going to use the epoxy method, just put a very, very thin coat of epoxy all the way around so that the glitter will adhere. And you'll be able to see kind of that splotchy colors coming through the glitter. But there's also little chunks of, this is like a chunky mix, and it's got the colors that I'm using, iridescent chunky glitter in there, if that makes any sense. Everything that I use will be in the description box below. So I'm going to go ahead and coat the entire tumbler with this glitter. Once that is done, I am going to roll it in parchment paper because there is some chunky on here. I do want that to lay down as much as possible to alleviate excessive amounts of coats of epoxy. After 2 coats of epoxy, it was ready to decal. And I'm doing something fairly just simple. I'm just using iridescent or holographic vinyls to put all over the tumbler, just in various tropical leaves. And I'm not going to put a saying on this. I didn't really think it needed it, but I'm going to go ahead and apply all of the decals all around the tumbler and some to the bottom as well. But I picked vinyls that kind of complemented the color underneath on the tumbler itself. Or it's not a tumbler, a koozie. I'm going to say tumbler through this whole thing. I just know it. So this is what we're looking at now. I'm going to go ahead and seal this with the CC DIY quick coat and give it its final coats of epoxy. I am absolutely in love with how this turned out. It's so just bright and cheery. But yeah, like I said, I'm going to go ahead and coat this with the CC DIY quick coat. After that is dry, add 2 final coats of epoxy, and this beauty is done. And I love it. The resin, the KS resin liquidy split, has such a shine that cannot be matched. And like I said, this comes with the lid that you secure the can in, but you can also drink right from this. It just doesn't have a normal tumbler lid. But this will be available on the website if you are interested. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a great big thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.